Hello children, this is Ms. Madam and today I will be teaching you moral science lesson 4 and the topic is the world of books. So see your book and follow my explanation, okay? The world of books. Books are our best friends, they guide us and inspire us. They are a storehouse of knowledge. Reading books is a very useful hobby. We can employ our leisure time fruitfully by reading books. Sitting at home, we can know about different countries and their people. We can know about the lives of great leaders, scientists, poets, etc. Okay, so um, so many times you have found that it is very relaxing and enjoyable when you get a good novel or a story book and sit and read in a calm and quiet corner of your home. You spend the next couple of hours lost in a strange new world of imagination. The good thing about reading as a hobby is that you can enjoy it in the comfort of your own home. It also comes cheap because books are not very costly. And when you develop a reading habit, each book you read will expose you to new experiences, and also you can always get new information from a book. You learn new ways to achieve your goals and new ways of solving problems, and you get exposed to new ideas and way of doing things. You can even learn about new places you didn't know, and you learn a lot of things by reading books about the lives of great leaders, scientists, poets, etc. Okay, now see the book. We can learn a great deal about life by reading autobiographies of great persons. What do you mean by autobiography? An autobiography is an account of a person's life written by that person, or you can say it is the story of a person's life as told by that person only. Okay, so the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, My Experiments with Truth, tells about his struggles and triumphs. You already know who is Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, Bapuji. His autobiography is My Experiments with Truth. In that book, he has mentioned about his struggles and triumphs. You know, he is the person behind our freedom from the clutches of Britishers, and his policy was entirely different from other people. He fought the battle non-violently and with truth. He didn't use any weapons, but his policy was to be non-violent and truthful. You can get many useful books from your school library or any public library. Newspapers and magazines are also a great source of information. Through them, we can know about the current events of the world. So not only so you can get books from your school library or any public library also, or you can purchase your own books. And not only books, newspapers and magazines are also great source of information. Through them we can know about the current situation, current events of the world. Reading book is a good habit, but one should not become a bookworm. What do you mean by bookworm? We use this term bookworm for the person who loves reading books all the time. They don't want to take part in any other physical activity. They are so engrossed in their books that they don't want to come out from their bookish world to the outer world. And this is not good. Everything in excess is bad. We should also spare some time for physical activity. So we should always remember that in order to be happy, we should have a balanced approach to life, and we should also spare some time for other activities like playing games or doing some gardening, or if you have any some other hobbies you can do in your spare time. But all the time reading books, sitting in one corner and reading book is not good. Reading is a good exercise for your brain. Like that, our physical activity is also an exercise for our whole body. So in order to keep fit and happy, we need to balance our day-to-day activities. We need to make a timetable or a routine for all our activities to follow. Then only we can lead a balanced and successful life. Okay, children, are you clear? Now, the exercises. We will discuss the exercises. You see on the screen, question answers are given. So from this lesson, 5 question answers are there, and I have given you 3 fill in the blanks. The other book work you can do in your book, okay, but this you note it down in your moral science copy. See the screen. Exercise A, answer the following questions. Question number 1, how are books useful to us? Answer, books open up vast avenues of information and helps in developing interest in various subjects. Books are keys that open doors to knowledge and nothing can be a substitute for them. Question number 2, how can we use our leisure time fruitfully? Answer, we can employ our leisure time fruitfully by reading books. Question number 3, write the name of Gandhiji's autobiography. Answer, the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi is My Experiments with Truth. Question number 4, besides books, what are the other sources of information? Answer, besides books, newspapers and magazines are also a great source of information. Through them we can know about the current events of the world. Question number 5, why should we not become a bookworm? Answer, we should not become a bookworm because it will make us lazy and inactive. We should spare time for playing and other physical activities to lead a happy, healthy and balanced life. Now see the fill in the blanks. 3 fill in the blanks are there. Number 1, we can employ our leisure time fruitfully by reading books. Here the word leisure is underlined. 2, one should not become a bookworm. Here bookworm is underlined. 3, in order to be happy, we should have a balanced approach to life. In this sentence, balanced approach is underlined. Okay, children, this much for your lesson 4. Question answers and fill in the blanks. Note it down in your copy with good handwriting and start learning it. Thank you. Bye.